Hello and welcome to our video on how to attract girls. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and techniques that can help you build confidence, show genuine interest, and be respectful and considerate towards others. First and foremost, it's important to be confident in yourself. This doesn't mean being arrogant or cocky, but rather having a sense of self-assurance and belief in your own worth. Confidence can be attractive to others, and it can help you feel more at ease in social situations. Being confident in yourself can be a key factor in attracting girls and building relationships. Here are a few tips for how to boost your self-confidence. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental health by getting enough sleep, eating well, and finding activities that help you relax and de-stress. Set achievable goals. Setting and achieving small goals can help build your confidence and give you a sense of accomplishment. Learn new skills. Learning new skills and expanding your knowledge can help boost your confidence and give you a sense of purpose. Surround yourself with positive people. Being around positive, supportive people can help boost your confidence and give you a sense of belonging. Be positive. Try to focus on the positive aspects of your life and focus on the things that make you unique and special. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect or having everything figured out. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities, and being comfortable with who you are. Next, it's important to be genuine. This means being yourself and showing a genuine interest in the person you are trying to attract. Don't try to be someone you're not, or put on a false persona. It's important to be authentic. Being genuine means being authentic and sincere in your interactions with others. Here are a few tips for how to be genuine. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not or put on a false persona. It's important to be authentic and genuine in your interactions with others. Show genuine interest in others. Ask questions and listen attentively to what the other person has to say. Show that you are interested in their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Be honest. Don't try to deceive or mislead others. Being honest and open can help build trust and strengthen relationships. Don't try too hard. Don't try to impress others or be someone you think they want you to be. Just be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Remember, being genuine means being true to yourself and not trying to be someone you're not. It's about being authentic and sincere in your interactions with others. This can help build stronger, more meaningful relationships. It's also important to show kindness and respect towards others, especially when it comes to dating and relationships. Treat people with kindness, and be mindful of their feelings and boundaries. Showing kindness and respect towards others is an important aspect of building relationships and attracting people. Here are a few tips for how to show kindness and respect. Be polite. Use please, thank you, and other polite phrases to show respect towards others. Listen attentively. Pay attention to what others are saying and show that you are interested in their thoughts and feelings. Be considerate. Consider the feelings and needs of others and try to be understanding and compassionate. Don't criticize or judge. Avoid criticizing or judging others and try to be supportive and understanding instead. Offer help. If someone needs help, offer to assist them. This can be a simple act of kindness that can go a long way. Having a sense of humor can also be attractive, but make sure to be respectful and not tell offensive jokes. A good sense of humor can help lighten the mood and make you more likable. Having a sense of humor can be a great way to build connections and make people feel more at ease. However, it's important to use humor in a way that is respectful and not offensive. Here are a few tips for how to use humor in a positive way. Know your audience. Make sure that your jokes are appropriate for the people you are with and the situation you are in. Avoid offensive jokes. Don't tell jokes that could be hurtful or offensive to others. Don't use humor to belittle others. Don't use humor as a way to make fun of others or put them down. Use self-deprecating humor. Self-deprecating humor can be a way to make light of a situation and make others feel more comfortable. Don't try too hard. Don't force jokes or try too hard to be funny. Just be natural and let your sense of humor come through naturally. Remember, a good sense of humor can be a great asset in building connections with others, but it's important to use it in a way that is respectful and not offensive. Finally, be a good listener. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and show that you are interested in what they have to say. This can help build a connection and create a sense of mutual respect. Being a good listener is an important skill that can help you build connections with others and show that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say. Here are a few tips for how to be a good listener. Pay attention, focus on what the other person is saying and avoid distractions. Show that you are listening, use nonverbal cues like nodding and making eye contact to show that you are paying attention. Ask questions. Ask open-ended questions to show that you are interested in what the other person has to say and to encourage them to keep talking. Avoid interrupting, let the other person finish speaking before interjecting. Provide feedback, offer comments or feedback to show that you are engaged in the conversation and to help keep the conversation going. Remember, being a good listener means showing genuine interest in what others have to say and making an effort to understand their perspective. This can help build stronger, more meaningful connections. Remember, it's important to be yourself and not try to be someone you're not. It's also important to be respectful and considerate of others' feelings and boundaries. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to attracting girls and building meaningful connections. Thanks for watching.